So welcome back friends. Today I will be discussing a very simple but very interesting topic. So this topic is how to find exploding stocks, and that too using a candlestick scanner. So we will be trying to find very good candlestick patterns, and we will be using a scanner for that. Now in my previous videos I have already shown you that Zerodha is now giving you candlestick patterns on the charts. So if you have not seen that video, I'll first suggest you please go through that video, because that video covers all the new updates of Zerodha Kite. So there you will be getting the candlestick patterns on the charts. So patterns will be plotted on the charts. So if you have not seen that video, I'll be giving you the video link in the video description. So now dear friends, here I'll be showing you can see the patterns already on the charts, right? But how do you know that in a particular stock a particular pattern has arrived or not? Suppose you are following say Reliance, and suppose Reliance has given a bullish engulfment on the daily charts. Now how will you know that this pattern has come on this particular stock? So here is the solution. The solution is I'll be showing you how you can get a candlestick pattern scan, and you can get it on Zerodha Streak. So I'll be showing you how you can get the patterns on the chart once again using the kite, and plus I'll also show you how to get the scan on the Zerodha Streak. So please watch this video till the end, because there I'll be showing you how to get the patterns on the scan. Now before I start the video fully, those who have not already subscribed to me in YouTube, I will suggest you please subscribe, because I do make this kind of videos twice a week. So I'll suggest you to subscribe to me and also hit the bell icon, so that you can get my next video updates instantly. So dear friends, let me start the video. So first friends, let me get you to the Zerodha Kite, where I will be showing you how to plot the candlestick patterns on the chart. So for that, one thing you need to be sure, that do not use the TradingView charts on the Zerodha Kite. You need to use the chart IQ on Zerodha Kite. So if you are using the TradingView charts on Kite, please change from TradingView to chart IQ by going to your profile on the Zerodha Kite. So I have already shown that on my previous videos. So if you have not seen that video, please check that and make sure that you are now on the chart IQ charts. So friends, let me get over to Zerodha Kite first, and then I will be taking you over to Zerodha Streak. So my dear friends, now let me show you the Zerodha Kite chart, and I will be attaching the candlestick patterns on the Zerodha Kite chart. So here I am going to Kite. So this is the Zerodha Kite. It will ask for the login prompt, so I am waiting for that. Yes, here I need to provide my user ID. So user ID is already given because I log in here frequently. So now the password and the PIN. So once you provide these, you will be redirected to the Zerodha Kite dashboard. So now my dear friends, here one thing I want to tell you, if you do not have Zerodha Kite, I have given the Kite link. You can get Kite by opening a trading and demat account in Zerodha. So if you do not have an account already, so I have given the link in the video description. So from there you can open the account and you can instantly get Kite. So now here I am on my Zerodha Kite dashboard, and now I will be opening any chart. Say here is Bharti Airtel. So I'll be opening the chart of Bharti Airtel. So you can see friends, Bharti Airtel chart is opened. I am deleting any studies on this. So I am deleting all the studies. So now a clean chart of Bharti Airtel. This is a daily chart. And here I will be adding the candlestick patterns. So from the studies we need to go to candlestick patterns. Here is candlestick patterns. If you click here, you can see the candlestick patterns will be shown, and you can actually choose which candlestick pattern you want to see. So for that you need to once again go to studies and you need to click on candlestick patterns. So you can see, my dear friends, you can only check the bullish patterns or the bearish patterns, or you can check whether the outline will be there or not. So if I click it, so you can see the outline is actually removing. So you want a fill or not, but actually the fill is good, because if you have the fill you can easily identify the pattern. So I keep it on. You can also off the fill. So then the name of the particular pattern. Now you can choose which patterns you want to check. Suppose breakaway, 3 line strike, 3 outside, 3 inside, gap, Tashuki gap, tri-star, star, 3 solitary crows, then kicking, then piercing or dark cloud, then engulfing, then doji star, then harami cross, then hammer, then shooting star and spinning top. So here actually I do not want all these things. Actually I am removing few of them. So I am removing breakaway, then I am removing 3 line strike, I am keeping 3 outside, 3 inside I am keeping, then gap, then Tashuki gap, then tri-star, then star, then 3 solitary crows. I am also removing kicking, I am keeping piercing or dark cloud, engulfing I am keeping, doji star I am actually removing, harami I am keeping, harami cross I am keeping, hammer I am keeping, shooting star I am removing, and spinning top also I am removing. So you can see now I have kept my favorite patterns, and you need to click on done once again. So you can see here there was a hammer, and once the hammer was done on the daily charts, so you can see the market tried to move up. So if you have bought here, you can have a decent uptrend. So from there next 3 days was up. So then engulfing, if the low of engulfing gets broken, it is a very good sign. So engulfing, hammer, these kind of particular patterns are quite good. So I always look for these kind of patterns. So you can also check here, also you can check engulfing one, engulfing was there. So this is a harami pattern, and you can see once this harami pattern is shown, harami, this is a bearish harami. So you can see once this bearish harami, the low of the bearish harami is broken, you can see the market has actually fallen heavily. So let me find some other things. You can see there was a 3 outside pattern. So here also you have got a decent down move. So these kind of patterns you can see. So this is how you can see the patterns on the charts. Now I will take you to Zerodha Streak, where actually you will check the patterns on the Streak scanner. So you can scan your own stocks. So because here each and every stocks, here I need to come back and I need to check each and every stock, but that is not possible always, because there are many stocks. So if I want to check on which stock actually engulfing has been done, I need to use a scanner. So for that I will be checking on Zerodha Streak. So friends, I have shown you how you can get the patterns plotted on Zerodha Kite. So it is very easy now to spot a particular candlestick pattern for the Zerodha traders. For the other traders, I will be suggesting to shift to Zerodha, because Zerodha gives this kind of facilities. And these facilities are free of cost, because many companies actually charges for this kind of scans. So you can now readily see the candlestick patterns on the charts. I have already shown you. Now I will take you to Zerodha streak, or rather streak, because streak is now only associated with Zerodha, so I do call it Zerodha streak. So now I will take you to streak, where I will be showing you how you can get a candlestick pattern scan, and you can actually find exploding stocks using that candlestick pattern scans. You can know which stock has made a particular pattern, and successful patterns like engulfment or say pin bar, these kind of patterns are very helpful for identifying a trend. So friends, let me take you over to Zerodha streak. So now friends, let us go to the streak platform. For Zerodha streak platform, I have created a link, so you can remember this link. The link is bit.ly/streaktech. So it is bit.ly/streaktech. So you need to remember this link, or if you cannot remember this link, do not worry. I'll give you the link in the video description. So from there you can go to the Zerodha streak platform like I am going. You can see I have pasted the link on a browser, and now I have actually hitting enter. So you can see I am being redirected to the Zerodha streak platform. So now friends, streak requires an account in Zerodha. So if you do not have an account in Zerodha, you need to open an account in Zerodha first, because streak is only associated with Zerodha. The algo platform called streak is only associated with Zerodha. So if you are not having an account in Zerodha, do not worry, I'll give you the Zerodha account opening link in the video description too. So from there you can open an account in Zerodha first, and you can actually log into streak after that. Now friends, as I am already having an account in Zerodha, so I am directly redirected to the streak platform, and I am logging here with my Kite ID. So here is the option logging in with Kite. So I am clicking that. You can see I am already logged into my Kite ID. So actually it is not asking for credentials. I am directly redirected to the dashboard. Now friends, this is the streak dashboard. So if we go to the scanners, then there is discover. So if you click on discover, the first scan you can discover, that is the candle patterns. So here you can see the name of the different candle patterns are written over here, like hammer, bearish Marubozu, bullish inside bar, and so on. So you can click on show more, and you can see all the scanners. So you can see there are spinning top green, inverted hammer, bullish harami pattern, bearish engulfing pattern, and so on. Suppose I want to check where we have got bullish harami pattern. So we will just simply click on the scanner. So by default it will scan on Nifty 500 stocks. So instead of Nifty 500 stocks, we can also see the Nifty 50 or Nifty 100 or others, NFO futures or NFO equities, and so on. Suppose I am scanning on Nifty 500 stocks only, and time frame is 1 day, and the chart type is candlestick. So here my dear friends, you can see the pattern formula is written over here, the scanner formula has been written over here. So those who are formula freak, you guys can check here and learn the coding. So now I will give a name. Suppose I will give a name of bullish harami, and I will click on scan and save. So you can see my dear friends, we have got the result. We have got the bullish harami pattern on Hinge Inc, ICICI Pru Life, ISEC, Quess, and so on. So these are the stock where actually the bullish harami candlestick pattern has been met. Now let me check in Zerodha Kite what is the candlestick pattern in Hinge Inc. So let me go to Zerodha Kite once again. So let me add Hinge Inc over here. So Hinge Inc has been added, and let me open the chart. You can see on Hinge Inc we have got a bullish Harami pattern. So this pattern is there. So here actually friends, you can actually take the strategy to live, or you can also create a strategy or convert into strategy. So here this is possible. You can take this to live, or you can also convert into strategy. This particular scan you can convert into any strategy. You can see this bullish Harami pattern, you can convert in any strategy. Now I am going back to the scanners once again. So I am going to scanners and I am going to discover. So here suppose I will be scanning for hammer pattern. So I will click on hammer, because hammer is very easy to identify. So I have clicked the hammer. Once again I will be scanning on the Nifty 500 stocks. So here once again the formula is written. So if you are a formula freak, you can learn the coding over here. Now I will be writing the name hammer and I will scan and save. You can see there is no stocks matching given criteria. I will be once again going to the discover, and suppose bullish inside bar. So let me scan for bullish inside bar. So I have given the name bullish IB. Click on scan and save. You can see all these stocks. Hinge Inc, once again it is a bullish inside bar. Then ICICI Pru Life, ISEC, Quess. Oh, you have already checked Hinge Inc. Hinge Inc has a bullish inside bar. So the formula for Harami and bullish inside bar is almost same. You can see there was a big bar, big volume bar last day, and then a small bar. So this is a criteria for Harami pattern. So this is also a bullish inside bar. You can see this is a bullish inside bar. So Hinge Inc is actually matching this particular pattern. Now let me check ICICI Pru Life. So ICICI Pru Life, you can see once again ICICI Pru Life here, this is a bullish inside bar. So you can see you can get these candlestick patterns using the Zerodha Street Scanner. It is very easy to scan for all the candlestick patterns. Now my dear friends, I am going back to the scanners once again. I will go to discover. So here let me check what candlestick patterns you can actually scan. I'll read out the names once again: hammer, bullish inside bar, bearish Marubozu, then 4 price doji, then bearish engulfing pattern, bearish inside bar, then dragonfly doji, double top without dip, then gravestone doji, this is a very important pattern, then inverted hammer, then spinning top green, then bullish Marubozu, then 3 black crows, double bottom without dip, bullish engulfing pattern, bearish Harami pattern, bullish Harami pattern, doji, 3 white soldier, spinning top red, and so on. I am seeing that hammer is many times, I don't know why. Anyway, I am clicking on show less, and you can check all these candle patterns and you can scan on your time frame. Suppose I am once again going to hammer. Instead of one day, you can scan up to 1 minute. So 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 1 day. So you need to scan according to your time frame and according to your trading style. So if you are a investor or if you are a swing trader, you will be trying to scan on higher time frames. And you can even scan on higher time frames like 1 day if you are an intraday trader also. Because if you have got a very good candlestick pattern some days, so the next day itself the stock can run. So even intraday traders can scan on the 1 day time frame. So you can scan from 1 minute to 1 day. So this is possible. So this is all about the candlestick pattern scanner on the Streak platform. So my dear friends, I have shown you how to find the patterns on the Zerodha Kite chart for the candlestick patterns, and I have also shown you how to get a scan of the same candlestick patterns on the Zerodha Streak. So you can just scan on your favorite time frame. If you trade on intraday, you can scan on the lower time frames like 5 minutes or 15 minutes, or say you are going for a positional trade, so you can scan for say hourly or something like that. You can also find intraday trades by scanning on daily charts, because if you have seen that a particular stock has made a big engulfing bar or a big pin bar or something like that, or a big bearish harami or a bullish harami pattern, so there is chances that the next day itself on intraday that stock will perform. So you can also find intraday trades by scanning on the daily time frame also. So dear friends, I'll be waiting for your comments on this video, how you have liked this video or not, and I'll also ask you to comment me your favorite candlestick pattern below this video. So here, if you are living for the day, before that make a comment what is your favorite candlestick pattern. And dear friends, those who have not yet subscribed to me in YouTube, I'll suggest you to, before leaving this channel, please hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon, because in that case my next video updates will come to you instantly, and I do make this kind of videos every week, twice a week. So dear friends, let me meet you once again on a new video someday. Till then, bye bye.